Hello! Today's video is about how Tubetarget helps you in placing ads. Let's get started. There are tons of social media platforms today, and I know you and I knows about this one, YouTube. It is an online video sharing and social media platform owned by Google. Around the world, its users watch more than 1 billion hours of YouTube videos each day. YouTube creators, popularly referred as YouTubers, upload over 100 hours of content per minute. Imagine that amount of visitors and potential buyers and leads that you can reach out to. YouTube is a great place to advertise your products or services. Here are the reasons why you need to start capturing YouTube traffic today. It is now the world's #1 social networking site. More visitors than Facebook. 50 times more likely to drive organic results with people of the same interest. It is filled with people of all ages. And cheaper clicks gets you higher quality for less. Advertising your products and services in YouTube can be very beneficial for your business. On YouTube, people can discover videos in various ways. For example, by searching on the YouTube search page, clicking suggested videos on the watch page, or choosing a video from the homepage. You can use YouTube to advertise more effectively to people who are searching for your product or brand. Here are some benefits of YouTube ads. You can connect with your audience. Ads that play on or run next to your YouTube videos can help you connect with potential customers in a unique and memorable way. You can be personal, share your expertise with the world, or put the camera on yourself and explain how product or service can benefit your audience. And reach the right audience. Reach your customers on YouTube by topics, keywords, or demographics. You can create a campaign in only a few minutes. Create Google Ads account and set up your campaign and reach your audience. Measure your success. Find out if you're reaching the right audience. Check your Google Ads account to track views, cost, and budget details. People advertise on YouTube using Google Ads, an online advertising platform developed by Google, where advertisers to display brief advertisements, service offerings, product listings, or videos to web users. It can place ads both in the results of search engines like Google Search or on non-search websites, mobile apps, and videos. It can target keywords, niches and all, but in this case, using it on YouTube, they cannot find the exact videos which will profit your ads. Placement targeting is very important and effective. Why? Because you don't need to worry about the demographics. It is need-based, which is even better than interest-based. You don't have to worry about getting all the keywords right. Perfect targeting if you can find a relevant video. Gets you really high conversion and yield amazing results for a targeted offer. There is a perfect way of targeting that beats everything. It is placements. But the problem is finding the right placement. It is really hard work doing manual searches for keywords and then going through each results trying to find the right video that is monetized to place your ads. It is going to take you hours and hours of work. Then you'll need to copy each video or channel one by one over to Google Ads. If you want to run campaigns, it will drive you crazy, or even worse, you will miss a lot of monetized videos. If you are going to place your ads in YouTube, don't waste your time in finding the videos or channel one by one. We have a great tool that can help you. It's called Tubetarget. Tubetarget is made for people who advertise on YouTube. So basically in YouTube, the best targeting is not by using keywords, because unlike your search engines, most of the content is being viewed by people following certain people or subscribe to a certain channel who wants to see certain content from them. So the best way to target ads on YouTube is by advertising on videos that are relevant to what you are advertising. Let's say, for example, you are going to advertise a laptop. You want to sell a laptop using YouTube commercially. So you would like to advertise on a YouTube channel that do laptop reviews, or specifically on that channel which has done a review or unboxing of that particular model of the laptop. So Tubetarget is a tool which allows you to find these exact monetized videos using keywords and searches. Then you can create collections of those videos and export them into a file. that can be imported to Google Ads to finalize your targeting. Tubetarget legitimately steals sales, leads, and conversions from your competition by tapping into their traffic. Get 100% targeted traffic to any niche or offer. Tubetarget is a powerful YouTube targeting SaaS with marketing training. You can find exact monetized channels that will give you the best results for your niche, increasing your ability to convert. It helps you find hundreds or even thousands of monetized videos for any niche or search term. It can create powerful campaigns that brings together all the channels and videos you want to target to get more views and engagement. It gets high-quality clicks for literally pennies. Grab fresh leads and make sales for cheaper than even successful content marketers. It is a powerful cutting-edge YouTube ads training, walks you through all the necessary knowledgeable in order to run fail-proof, high-profitable ads. With Tubetarget, place your ads with ease. Get more sales, get more leads. If you want to know more about Tubetarget, just go to gettubetarget.in. And that is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. As always, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.